So this is the super fast, super easy sausage rolls. Easy to make, fast to cook, just a bit of work, but I'll tell you this is superbly superb. Oh my God. So today I'm going to make sausage rolls. Okay, for this I have pork mince and beef mince all mixed together with lovely chopped onion, crushed pepper, ginger, little bit garlic, little bit all chopped together and made a lovely mixture. And then on top I put some fried bacon. We're going to mix all together. And I'm going to use puff pastry sheets to make this beautiful, lovely, tasty sausage roll. So now I'll mix all together. You will see I've put coriander leaves, mint leaves, and also yes, you can put fennel. Crushed fennel is lovely in this. And for the sourness, you put a little bit of lime. Alright. So you have to put an egg to bind all together, and you have to put sliced onions. Okay. So that is your mix. And you need an oven to bake. But if you can't do the sausage roll, you can convert this to nice, lovely cutlets. And also curry leaves. You can put curry leaves, coriander leaves, mint leaves, alright? And make this lovely mixture of mince meat, and then you can make your lovely sausage rolls and egg puffs or any kind of pastry with a filling will go very well. You can put this inside a pie. It will be lovely and beautiful. Now we will cut the pastry sheets into two halves. Okay, it's all available in the market, and then you cut into two halves. So I've cut all into two halves, and these pastry sheets are available in the supermarket. Right, all done. So I've done my own piping bag, and we will now pipe the beautiful mince into the sheets. Okay, there you go. Done, 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 done. That's how the piping bag looks like. Okay, I made my own one, so pipe it like this. Okay, just a plastic bag, and then you make a beautiful cut, and then you pipe. Okay, see like that. See like that. Like that, you have to pipe on the whole pastry sheet, right? And then we will roll it. Put some water here and seal it. Beautiful sausage roll is getting ready. There you go, put the water here and then roll like this. It's simple, eh? Remove the sheet. Simple. Okay. So roll like this. Okay. So we'll now cut it into three portions. Yeah, three portions will be sufficient. Okay, one piece into three portions. So if you have difficulty in cutting, because it takes a lot of time sometimes, then you move it into the freezer to make them stiff, and then afterwards you can cut them. Okay, so that's the one tip. Okay, see this one I had a little trouble, so I'm moving it into the freezer. Okay, so it was in the freezer for some time, because I need to sort it out to get it stiff, you see. Yeah, so half an hour in the freezer, and now ready to slice. So when it is frozen, you can see. So frozen rolls, it's very easy to slice. Okay, very easy. Keep going, keep going. Yes, you see. So you have to freeze if they go too soft. So let me preheat my oven to 220 Fahrenheit. I put a nice tray with a baking paper, and we will assemble them here and then give it an egg wash. So isn't it good, eh? So if you put lamb inside this, it becomes mutton puffs. If you put egg inside this, egg puff. If you put vegetable inside this, vegetable puff. Okay, simple technology. Okay, now we'll do the egg wash. Just egg, whisk an egg nicely in a bowl, and then start paint like a paint job. Okay, simple egg wash, paint job. So it's all gone in the oven, eh? And we will monitor the time. So it's taken out after 45 minutes. The sausage rolls are beautiful and delicious. Looks good, eh? Ooh, ooh, man, that's the one. So this is the super fast, super easy sausage rolls. Easy to make, fast to cook, just a bit of work, but I'll tell you this is superbly superb. Oh my God, just delicious. And this one, I think, OMG. Just guys, try this at home. Don't miss this one, hey? Please. Cheers.